In this video, we are going to see it is worth joining IBM or not. Let's see the advantages first. There are a lot of advantages to join the IBM than other companies. IBM is a big brand in the market and had invented many products, and it is a big organization to grow yourself. There is a lot of opportunity to grow yourself due to high organization. You will get every types of technology. In this, you can switch yourself in any department. You can get money and permission for higher study if you want, and they have contract with Oracle and other big universities. You can go there and learn there. For the girls in IBM, it's very safe and good place. Here is more than 60% girls are working, so you can find good friends and no harassment. For girls, there are many policies also provided by the IBM, and you can get free cab service if you working in night time. If you have placed in dedicated project, not shared one, there will not be much work pressure. But if you are on the shared project, the work pressure is little. There are many divisions in IBM. One is IBM ISL, that is India Software Labs. It is the best. I would say if you got offer from here, then you should go. Another is IBM GBS, that is Global Business Services, just like another IT company like TCS, Infosys. And last one is GTS, somewhat similar to GBS. Generally, ISL starting salary is double than GBS starting salary. You can get work from home in IBM. If you are not feeling good in office, they provide this facility for you. For the girls, they provide the work from home mainly. On top of the CTC, there will be an extra, that is a bonus, however of maybe less, but still that will be a kind of additional income. Now let's see the disadvantages. IBM has huge workforce. Sometimes you may put on bench and feel bad about it, or may feel lost in the crowd. IBM is 100% manager based company. It runs by people, not process. You won't believe, but there is practically no HR in the company. You will never know who is your HR contact because there is no one. Your first line managers or your HR. You will be surprised, but over 4 lakh manpower enterprise is running with only 800 HR professionals globally. There is 18 months project policy in IBM. If your manager doesn't want, you can change the project. Do whatever you want to do. Trust me, changing the company is easy than changing the projects in IBM. There is a shift called PMR in IBM. Means it's possible that you can get any raise for 3 to 4 years because of PMR. And believe me, you can't do anything except resignation. In IBM, the notice period is 3 months. There are many more pros and cons depend upon the projects. At the end, IBM is a good company for both freshers and experienced. It is in the place of 38 in the Fortune 500 companies of 2020. If you have any other offer from similar companies like TCS, Infi, Accenture, iGate, etc., then prefer IBM over them. And if you get offer from IBM ISL, just go for it. Thank you.